This is how HTMX can make your life easier. So let's imagine that we need a way to get some data when we click this button right here, and we want to replace this with an HTML element. With plain old JavaScript, we would first need a query selector to reference this button. Then we would need some kind of event listener that would trigger a function. And in this function, we would first need to make a request to an endpoint, which would then return some JSON data. We would then need to create an HTML element for our container, some elements for the inner part of this container, and then we would need to add in our data to the newly created elements. Finally, we would append each inner element to its parent, and then we'd want to replace the button with a new div we just created. Now, here's the same exact request with HTMX. First, we want to add in the hx-get attribute to the button. Now from the server, instead of responding with JSON data, we're just going to respond with this HTML block. If you want to make this cleaner, we can move this code into its own HTML file and return it like this. Now, when we click this button, we get our new element in here without ever refreshing the page.